A quiet day for most of southeast Nebraska with lots of sunshine early on. This evening we had a nice sunset as clouds started building in out of Kansas, bringing a few widely scattered showers. Today we made it up to 81 degrees. It's our 6th day to reach 80 degrees this month. Our normal is 4 days, so we have surpassed that. And it's our 17th day above normal. Now, most likely tomorrow may still go into the books above normal. That will likely be our 18th day and final day of the streak. We've got some cooler temperatures coming in behind this weather system that's going to bring us a chance for showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight and through tomorrow, and you'll notice some changing weather as we go through the day tomorrow. Tonight on radar, there's just some very light, widely scattered showers, especially to the north of Grand Island between Greeley and Columbus, and that's really about it. But as you go into the western part of the state, much more in the way of some rain from Valentine down through Thedford, North Platte towards McCook, and if your eyes catch just on the northwest corner of the state, we may even have some snow falling, more so out towards eastern Wyoming. But on the warm side of this storm, which is what most of Nebraska is, we've got thunderstorms. I've turned the lightning on. You can see we've just had some heavy rains and downpours moving through the McCook area, also bringing a lot of thunder and lightning out that way to just to the east of North Platte, and this extends further to the south where there's some more intense thunderstorms right now through Kansas. I wanted to show you this area of Kansas because two things. One, you'll notice the returns on the radar. You start to get a little bowing segment, or what looks like the bow from a bow and arrow with that shape. That typically means we've got some stronger winds coming out of these thunderstorms. But I want you to also notice the general movement is off to the northeast with that section. So we're going to watch that as we go through the evening hours. There are more showers and thunderstorms further to the south where there is a tornado watch now for much of Kansas until 5 o'clock in the morning. So far tonight, we've had 4 reports of tornadoes from portions of Kansas, Colorado, as well as down into Oklahoma. The low-level jet stream is just beginning to pick up and starting to increase, so that's going to allow some energy to come in and help fuel these thunderstorms as they move off to the east as we go through the overnight hours. For that, let's look at Storm Track, doing a very good job on the placement of these thunderstorms. And as we go through the overnight, these will keep moving off to the east-northeast, and by about 1 o'clock in the morning, we're thinking between the Tri-Cities, Kearney, out towards Grand Island and Hastings, also down towards Red Cloud, we could see some of these thunderstorms. These will keep moving off to the east, arriving into the Columbus area probably by 3 o'clock in the morning, through Seward between 2 and 3, Crete right around 3 o'clock, and Fairbury about 3 o'clock. I think we're still looking between 2 and 4 o'clock in the morning for moving into Lancaster County and Gage County. It's kind of what I've been saying since last night also. It's all, the timing's been pretty spot on with that, I think. So don't be surprised to hear some rumbles of thunder at that time. We may get some gusty winds coming out of these thunderstorms at that point. Now, while the storms in Nebraska right now don't look that bad, a lot of the high-resolution data is suggesting about a 3 to 6% probability of some severe thunderstorms developing in the pre-dawn hours Wednesday morning, which would be right in this general vicinity. So that's something we're going to keep an eye on overnight. By 5 a.m., the rain is off to the state line, moving off to the east. We may have a few lingering showers developing tomorrow morning. Don't be surprised by that before it moves out of here and we end up seeing lots of sunshine tomorrow. So the main threat tonight is going to be the potential for some wind. We could see another ½ inch of rain in some areas as we go through the overnight. Otherwise, it is mild outside tonight. Temperatures sitting in the upper 60s. Winds are out of the southeast, gusting at times 25 to near 30 miles per hour. Low temperatures will range from the 47 out towards Kearney to 62 in Nebraska City, so a wide range overnight tonight. Through the day tomorrow, as I mentioned, we're going to see a lot of sunshine around the area. I think we do see our temperatures rebound back up into the upper 60s to low 70s for most of us, but the winds will be brisk tomorrow. We'll have gusts at times 30 to 40 miles per hour out of the west-northwest. 72 degrees for a high temperature tomorrow in Lincoln, 72 in Beatrice, and only 67 in Grand Island. Again, watch out for the winds tomorrow. 7-day forecast then shows a taste of fall coming our way for Thursday. 65 degrees for a high, 60 by Friday. And look at some of the morning lows coming our way by Saturday and Sunday morning. Temperatures down into the 30s. I think some of central Nebraska could see first frost of the year, which we are way overdue for. And then we'll see temperatures rebounding a little bit on Sunday. Monday, another cold front passes back down to 58 for a high by Wednesday, and then temperatures back in low to mid 60s. So next week, we're going to see much more fall-like conditions than the August-like conditions we've had for really the first half of this month.